Hello, welcome. Let's talk about some trending news concerning most of the things we are hearing concerning the actress Regina Daniels getting married to a 59-year-old man, and also Tonto Dikeh with the recent revelations that concerning her husband, Mr. Churchill, insinuating that he's a Yahoo boy, that she actually found him one day in the middle of candlelight with red wrapper around his waist and laptop. So I want to get your own views on all these. I want to know what is bothering you now as a student. Is it the JAMB result that has not been released, that the JAMB officials are saying that there was so much malpractice that they need to do much probe before releasing the results? Is it the JAMB that is bothering you? What news is actually trending in your area? Or is it that of Regina Daniels? We are getting some information that she's already pregnant for the 59-year-old man. Do you think it's wrong for her to get married to this man? Well, personally, I don't really think it's much wrong, but all of us have our views. So I want you to tell me why you think it's wrong for her to get married to this man, if you really think it's wrong. And I want to also get your views on the allegations that Tonto Dikeh is leveling against the husband. Do you think that even if he's been doing this, that is right the way she's going about it? And do you think if there was no problem between Tonto Dikeh and the husband, do you think she will be able to come out and be telling us that, revealing all these jars and all the rest of them about the man? Or will she calmly be eating the money? And she's from the interviews that she recently rendered, she said that the man has not been paying the school fees for the son. You said that this man is a Yahoo boy, or is a anything jazz man. Why do you also want him to be using such money to pay for your son's school fees? Do you think that is right? So please, I want us to get your comments on all these, including your JAMB. If you're a student, they said the JAMB, there was so much malpractice in the JAMB, and that is what is delaying the result. What do you think JAMB should do about it? So please put some comments on all these, drop it in the comment section. Let's discuss them, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button if you like our contents. Thank you.